Agora nós vamos na atração Avatar Flight of Passage, que é uma atração que você voa em cima de uma Banshee. É um simulador 3D muito legal, muito legal. Uma das atrações mais novas que tem aqui no Animal Kingdom, na Disney, e é uma das mais sofisticadas também. Vamos conferir. Essa eu tava doido para ir, são 80 minutos de fila. Eu vou encarar, eu e a Chuchu, nós vamos encarar essa fila para mostrar um pouco para vocês. Vamos lá. Vocês estão acompanhando ao vivo comigo a Chuchu fazendo conteúdo para soltar no Instagram e no TikTok. Sim, nós temos Instagram e TikTok. É só procurar lá, Turistando com Careca, que você acha. Vai lá conferir os vídeos também. Muitos shorts também, que eu coloco no YouTube, vai para lá. Então segue a gente em todas as redes sociais, hein? Vou colocar aí no vídeo para vocês aí na tela como é que é. E o link na descrição do vídeo tá lá para vocês seguirem a gente nas outras mídias sociais. Esqueleto da cabeça de um Banshee. É muito perfeito isso aqui, gente. Olha, é incrível. Os detalhes são recriados perfeitamente, tudo.
Field genetic matching room. Okay, Dr. Stevens, they're ready.
Can everyone see me?
Yes.
Great. Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Na'vi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a Banshee. The way you're going to do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. And I'm here to help you guys get ready. But first, we have to scan you for Pandoran microparasites. Alright everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay, start scan. You've all got them. But don't worry, they're very common around these parts. Let's start the decon.
Initiating GMR decon.
Stay still over your number, you're not gonna feel a thing. You're doing great. Almost done here.
They're all clear.
Great. Now let's go over how all this works. Like I said before, you're going to be matched to these things called avatars, which look a lot like the Na'vi. They're created by blending human DNA and Na'vi DNA. Once we match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden. She leads our science team, which is part of the Pandora Conservation Initiative, and we're here in the Valley of Moara studying banshees and their environment. Over a generation ago, this enormous company called the RDA created a lot of damage to the area through their bad mining practices and conflicts with the Na'vi. Just like on Earth, it can take decades for ecosystems to recover. One way to understand what's going on with an ecosystem is to study what are called keystone species. These are animals like tigers, jaguars, seals. The banshee is one of these important animals. Dr. Ogden is the foremost expert on studying the Ikran and has spent years researching them. Unfortunately, banshees live high in rookeries and humans can't get anywhere near them without becoming their lunch. But the Na'vi and avatars can. In fact, the Na'vi have been riding on the backs of banshees since their earliest history. Thanks to science, avatars can ride on banshees too. That's why you're linking to an avatar. It was Dr. Ogden who restarted the Avatar program. It's because of her that you're able to go through this rite of passage today. Pandora is a breathtaking natural world. I cannot wait for you guys to see it for yourselves.
Call it a banshee. To the Na'vi, connecting to an Ikran and flying on its back is an incredibly important rite of passage they call Ikni Maya. With permission from the Na'vi and in partnership with Alpha Centauri Expeditions, we can now bring this amazing experience to you.
Forward, holding on to the hand grips, and supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, durante toda esta experiencia deberán permanecer sentados, inclinarse hacia adelante agarrando las barras y supervisen a sus bebés.